This Malai Tikka Seekh Biryani, a fusion masterpiece. Whether you're hosting a feast or craving something special, this dish is sure to impress. Watch the full video to learn how to make this show-stopping recipe at home. Juicy, melt-in-your-mouth Malai chicken Seekh kebabs are layered with aromatic basmati rice, perfectly cooked to perfection. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Malai Tikka Seekh Biryani. This biryani comb textures and smoky tandoori notes for an unforgettable culinary experience. Step 1. Preparing Seekh Kebab. Take 500 grams chicken mince or boneless chicken. 1 onion chopped. 4 to 5 green chilies. Half teaspoon red chili flakes. Salt to taste. Quarter teaspoon cumin powder. Quarter teaspoon black pepper powder. Quarter teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 3 tablespoons coriander and mint leaves. 2 tablespoons gram flour. Blend it. Give it a coal smoke. Add ghee or oil on coal. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Add 1 teaspoon ghee or oil. Apply water or oil on your palm. Stuff 1 piece of cheese. Make Seekh as shown. Repeat the same process to make more. Fry the Seekh 7 minutes on each side. Flip the sides. Fry on all sides. Our cheesy Seekh kebab is ready. Step 2. Preparing chicken tikka. Take 350 grams chicken cubes. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Salt to taste. Combine well. Set aside for 30 minutes. Now for second marination. Half teaspoon tandoori masala. Quarter teaspoon chaat masala. Add 3 pinches green food color. Quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Half teaspoon cumin powder. Quarter teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon green chili paste. Quarter teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves. Half lemon juice. 3 tablespoons hung curd. Combine well. Add 3 tablespoons mustard oil. Give it a good mix. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Add 3 tablespoons oil. Fry tikka pieces. Cook on high flame for about 2 minutes, then fry on low to medium heat for 5 minutes on each side. Flip the sides, cook for 7 minutes. You can also cook in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Chicken tikka is ready. Step 3. Preparing creamy mixture. Take half cup mayonnaise. Add half cup cream. Quarter cup blanched almond paste. 3/4 cup milk. Quarter cup any kind of cheese. Combine well. Keep aside, we will use it later. Step 4. Biryani rice. Boil the water. Add whole spices: 1 star anise, 3 green cardamoms, 3 cloves, 8 to 9 peppercorns, 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon sticks, half teaspoon cumin seeds. Salt to taste. Add half teaspoon oil or ghee. 1 teaspoon lime juice. Mix well. Bring it to boil. Add 500 grams soaked washed basmati rice. Do not cook fully, only 80% rice to be cooked. Step 5, making biryani creamy masala. Add 2 tablespoons oil. Add whole spices mentioned earlier. Roast for a minute. Add 2 tablespoons butter. Add 2 chopped onions. Sauté well. Add 2 bullet chilies and 1 chopped capsicum. Sauté well. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Cook until the rawness goes away. 2 tablespoons green chili paste. 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. 1/4 teaspoon white pepper powder. 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder. Salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon biryani masala. Roast the masala. Add 1 cup curd. Roast the masala. Cover and cook 5 minutes. Add creamy mixture that we have prepared earlier. Give it a good mix. Cover and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Your creamy biryani masala is ready. Step 6, creating the final layers. Form layers of rice and masala. Add creamy masala. Add coriander and mint leaves. Sprinkle brown onion. Now put Seekh Kebab pieces. Now add tikka pieces. Repeat the same procedure for all layers. Rice. Malai creamy mixture. Sprinkle some coriander, mint and barista. Place Seekh and chicken tikka. Again rice. Sprinkle brown onion. On the top layer add bullet chilies. Add some food colors and few drops of kira essence. Add 1 tablespoon leftover caramelized onion oil. Add Seekh and tikka pieces. Cover and cook on low flame 15 to 20 minutes. Our delicious Malai Tikka Seekh Biryani is ready. Dish out. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comments section below. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.